You're killing people. No, I'm killing boys. Boys are just placeholders. They come and they go.
Flexing what I got, she gon' move like a dancer. Wondering what's next, no one I can answer. Right now you just tell I'm at the answer. The check never bounced, think I like my banker.
Yes, this is my first series. I can be her without plastic surgery. Megan Fox version. Especially, I want to do this makeup. She made me fucking arrest me. If you watch this video, you can be her. Because I'm gonna be her tonight. You know what I mean? Sometimes I just want to be like, today I want to be Megan Fox. Maybe tomorrow I want to be Kanye West.
To share with the world. That's my massage.
Let's start makeup. So first step is base makeup. In Megan Fox makeup, you don't need to be like tan skin. Actually, she doesn't have that much tan skin originally. So I'm gonna mix this foundation and this concealer today. Let me put the outside first. Look at my finger skill. I mean makeup skill. I'm only gonna pat it on my eyebrow. You know, your eyebrow has to be really dry all the time. Her eyebrow is very thin, kind of like arch. You can say original Betty eyebrow, not really thick, not 2016 Betty. So let's start middle to the end. I ate it. You have to be very strict. And just connect to the middle. Same as the up. And draw like real hair. Her eyebrow is very, very black. So I'm gonna do black eyeshadow. I always start with the end. Let's start with here because I have more strong cheekbones than her. So I'm gonna remove a little bit. And here as well. When you're blending your chin line, just go under your chin. It's gonna remove your double chin. Not like this. It has to be like this. And just follow your chin. This is King Haley chin. Yes. And then definitely forehead, but her forehead is more wider than mine. So I'm gonna remove here and here and a little bit here too. Oh, it's fucking everywhere. What the fuck? And nose contour with same color, like here. So you're drawing like a V. And when I go my button nose, I always check the side so I can see the perfect angle. Oh, okay, this is my perfect angle then. It looks amazing. And I'm gonna make my lips more wider. Like this. With a different color. This is more cool tone vibes. Eyes. And I'm gonna do a little bit of blush. 2, 2, little 3. And very, very gentle. And it's my secret tips. Very bright powder, just a little bit to my inner corner of my eyes. Just a little bit of my nose. Yeah. Eye makeup time. Eye makeup so important because Megan Fox, her eyes, when I see her picture, when I see her eyes in the picture, I just feel a fucking lesbian. I'm gonna use this color. I'm kind of do overall of my eyes, like overall, go really far, so it doesn't look like you put eyeshadow on. It look like, oh, your eye is just very deep. Eyeliner time. This is gonna be really satisfying. It has to be black color. I wanna make a content in Korean. I'll just fill it up like this. And I'm gonna do my under eyes. We're gonna smudge in with this. Like very roughly. And yeah, like this. This white color under my eyebrow. And then I'm gonna remove my nose powder a little bit on here. You know what? I'm Korean, so I'm gonna make some egg style. This color is gonna be very natural, like down, up, thin, down, up. Start my nose. My eyes start here, but I'm gonna put the highlight here. High, down. After lashes. I'm gonna put some highlight on my eyes. Eyeliner time. Let's draw my inner corner more outside, and this part I want to make them really thin and line a little bit where I kind of want to make my eyebrow more darker. Only the end, I guess. And here, and go up so your cheekbones more like. Lips time. We're gonna do a little bit red-ish vibes. Bottom lip first, and then my upper lips. Lipstick time. This is very red, so I'm gonna put it more like roughly in just a little bit. Yeah, this is literally enough. This lip gloss, I'm gonna put on my finger like this. Do you think I became a Megan Fox? What do you guys think? If you wanna see the next try, please subscribe me, comment, likes, whatever you can. I really do appreciate guys. Guys, I love you guys. Okay? I do. I'm gonna come back with the a lot of ridiculous happened. It's gonna be story time. So I'm gonna bring my teas. So you need to bring your popcorns. I'll see you in the next video. Mwah.